Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today, Anne is going to continue with a wonderful,
Fancy beet salad.
well, I was going to say, we're finishing her arugula salad series. There are four. We're on number 2 of Anne's arugula salads. So if you're following along in the Plant-Based Woman Warrior, this is on page 160 called Anne's arugula and
Fancy beet salad.
Anne's arugula and fancy beet salad. It's
So
so funny. I kind of say in the cookbook, whenever we're making recipes, we always knew, like the editors kind of knew which were Anne's recipes and which were my recipes. So I'd be like San Fran bowl or do something like just a name, and Anne's like a black bean, brown rice, shaved Brussels sprout, roasted beet, asparagus,
amazing salad.
And salad. I'm kidding. It's wonderful.
Jane,
you knew what you were going to get.
No, you are fantastic at naming the.
And you're fantastic at describing what you're making in the title.
All right, so here we go.
With Anne's arugula and fancy beet salad.
Now, this is the problem. This salad, I love to have it be, there's so many good beets. And there's nothing as delicious, could you get me a cloth, as the red beets. And here are these lovely yellow beets that are, I mean, they are so good and so sweet.
Are those Chioggia?
No, Chioggia are the best.
What are they?
They're slightly pink, and they are I just couldn't find any. So this is going to be a salad with a combination, and I'm starting out, the best is you boil the beets. What I love, and I mean, it's almost, it's crazy how much I like it.
She's taught me to love it too.
To peel the beet. It's just like taking a giant round snake and out comes this.
Wait, why would you choose a round
I don't know,
snake?
a round snake, because I feel like you're peeling. It's just so nice. So anyway, I'm going to put a couple more slices of this delicious
golden beet.
And then I am going to add to that about a quarter cup of orange juice.
Come forth with your cup.
Yeah, here I am with my orange juice, and this is about a quarter cup. I'm going to put that on.
Wow.
And then I am going to put on. I can't remember.
I can read.
3
medium beets.
White balsamic vinegar, and this actually is the lemon white that I love in here. Mm-hmm. And it's from the Olive Tap, which is in Medina, Ohio. And if you're interested, call them, tell them you're Esselstyns, and they will give you a discount.
No, you're with the Esselstyns. You know, say you are an Esselstyn. And there's 250 Esselstyns today.
And did you say
2 cups of arugula and then some cracked pepper?
How many tablespoons? 2.
Oh, 2. Sorry.
So I got 2 in my beets, and then I'm going to put
would be delicious just like that.
I tell you, you don't need one more thing. And then I'm going to put some black pepper, and I love fresh cracked black pepper when I have time to just go on it. And then I'm going to sort of just make sure this gets all around everything. And then into a bowl. And I chose this bowl because I did. And Jane thinks it's fun. You'll see, Jane.
I think it's fine.
It's going to work.
Is this a bowl? Wait, what's the name? What would you call this kind of shape?
It's my oblong bowl.
Oblong bowl.
And this is about 2 cups of arugula. You see, doesn't it fit perfectly in that bowl? Thank you. Beautiful. And then on top of that,
especially for a fancy beet salad,
I'm going to put my beets.
Oh, this is a perfect.
Yep. And just because
I just got a hunger growl. Can you pour this a little bit?
And then you know what? Let's just give it some little color, little surprise things here.
Nice. Oh, that's slow.
Now, not done yet.
Not done yet.
Because on top of this, I'm going to put some toasted walnuts. Now,
you just toast them until they're fragrant?
Just toast them until I mean, usually I burn them, and so usually they're burned.
That's why I'm saying that, because it gets fragrant, and then we're like, something's burning.
Yeah.
Our nuts. And so we always have to buy like twice as
But
many.
this is simple, and you get a little arugula with it, and you get some of these amazing beets.
Can you
And
try it?
yeah, here's a little dish.
No, like a fork. I didn't.
Oh, gee.
I'm gonna grab a fork.
And I mean,
Here,
beets are so good. And if you don't want to put them in with arugula,
For you and for me, for Wade.
okay.
Yum. Well, I just want to. Do you just like scoop it up with the arugula and the beet together?
Sure.
Okay. I'm gonna use my hand a little bit. We've got 3 different dishes.
Well, just because I do.
Whoops. And okay. Cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Wade, will you try?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Wait, I want to have a red one because I think that the golden beets are particularly sweet right now.
And you know what? While they're tasting this and about golden beets, I think I've mentioned already, but I've just got braces on and Invisalign on top, so I can't eat unless I take this out and put it on. So I can't really eat greens very well these days, but beets are green. So I've been boiling so many of these golden beets and just loving them lately. Oh,
Hey,
wait,
hey,
what do you say?
we're getting a good nod from Wade.
What'd you say?
I could eat that whole thing.
He ate the whole
I was
thing.
saying I could eat that whole
Oh,
thing.
you could eat this whole thing.
Easily. Easily.
He's saying I could eat that whole thing easily. That is
Wade.
that was a testament to that. Like it's genuinely good. It's got flavor. It's got Shazam, and I love the little hint of walnut. So when I take my teeth out, I'm gonna taste mine. So don't clear this. But thank you, Mommy, for your Anne's arugula and fancy beet salad.
Woo!
Yes, tell us what color your beets are.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
Wait. Because if you chose, you could put the pink salad dressing on top. But you know, truly,
I don't
it doesn't need it. It would ruin it. So don't.
Okay.
Bye.